In a coastal town, a flood carves a new path through memory and mud, reshaping every doorstep together. A rescue worker recalls a lantern glow, guiding a family to safety as rain lashes the harbor. From the forest hill comes another tale where a stubborn cedar shelters neighbors while winds test the roofs. In the valley, a wildfire writes an orange seam across the dusk, and strangers become allies today. As the storm passes, the town learns to listen to the science and to each other in a quieter dawn.